Hi guys, I played this game before in my old account. So let's go to the suits. Wait, unsuit. This would be even better. When Iron Man. Yep. Oh, yep. And I missed the landing, bro. Let's go. Go! Super speed! Super speed!
Bilis tawagan mo siya. Gusto ko muna sus, naduda-duda nga ang pagkatao niya, di ba? Kasi hindi niya alam. Bilis po.
Come on. Ow! Get the heck out! Wait, fall! Hey, wait, how do I punch? Hey, give me some punch. I forgot how to punch. Bro, I played these games like... Oh shit. Oh shit. Wait. Unsuit. Or a farm. Okay. Wow. I just... Yo, can you just teach me how to... Amaya man. Wait. I'm gonna get this one anymore. Oh my god! I'm out. Oh, ow. Okay, wait. Look at this. Oh! Get out! I always fight in this. In this area, I always fight in this area. This is my favorite spot to fight because there's so many enemies and spawn enemies. Oh, hey! Get out! Okay. How do I punch? Guys, can you guys teach me how to punch? Yes, I know now how. That's too stupid. Come on. Okay.
Kahit ito, pinagpipis sa pagsabi sa akin na kunin natin yung big boss. Wala yung address. Eh, kung naman, Captain, yun ang hirap sa inyo eh. Gusto nyo isusubo
Wait,
na
who
lang
the heck is that?
Padala mo ako sa China. Aalamin ko lang ang address niya.
Ooh, okay. Wait, is this my area? It's not my favorite area. Come here, you son of a bitch! Ooh. I like the sound of punching, so I like punch. Get out!
Bago yung isip ni Captain, bigay ko sa kanya address. Huwag kanya, bigay ko siya, di ba? Address na eh.
Oh my god!
Ano ba yan?
Let's aura from a bit. Okay. Bro, what the heck?
Ako na lang. May nakain na tapong hindi maganda kanina.
Na.
Pansin ko may oras yung catering service nila. Isa sa umaga, isa sa gabi.
Yo, ko.
Tatawagan ko ba si Eric? Oo na, kung repair lang po ang ka. Ito, ibabalik ko agad.
Wait, my favorite spot, but no enemies. Oh shit. Wait lang. Let me aura from a bit. Hey! So I'm trying to recreate the Iron Man scene. The when she shot a bomb and she turn her and she walks away. That scene is fully aura. Iron Man had a lot of aura on that scene. Get the heck up! Don't shoot me, oh my god! I like the physics of this game. Wow. Yeah. I like the view. Oh! Crap. Hey! No one's gonna be. Oh! 30. That. It has to have a lot of enemies. Yo. Hey, yo. Yo. Don't leave me behind.
This.
Come. Not in this area. Get the heck up. Come on. Better have to go there. Oh no. Yes! Oh no. Okay, I'm just aura farming. Oh no.
Oo lang. Kumain na kanya ron sila. Meron pa dyan. Konti na nakain dito sa balat. Di ba kumain na kanya ron, sir? Kakakain nyo lang. Saan po sana? Paano?
Oh, yes. Oh my god. Oh, shit. Oh, what? Know what I would just say? Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe. And type in the comments hi. Okay. Bye.